How to avoid Alibaba transaction fee. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can avoid transaction fee on Alibaba. Now, as you know, on Alibaba.com, if you try to purchase and if you purchase any product, it will charge you the certain cost. Now, can you avoid it? Well, you can reduce the cost, but it is not best to. Now, for sellers, this is a way to avoid platform fees, but it violates Alibaba's policy and buyers are worried that you are running away, so they are unwilling to place an order with you. Now, for buyers, you may buy goods at a lower price, but this is not absolute. Perhaps the seller has reduced the cost but still does not reduce the price, but your funds cannot be guaranteed. If you place an order on Alibaba, your funds will be kept from on the platform until you confirm the receipt. If there is a dispute, Alibaba will not transfer the money to the seller's account, but if you pay in other ways, the funds will flow into the seller's account when you make the payment. When there is a problem with the goods and the seller does not give a refund, you will bear the loss. So I'll recommend you not to do so. However, if you want to do so, what you can do is you can get the direct number or direct contact number or contact directly the seller and you can pay them via offline to avoid the transaction fee. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.